Qatar Investment Authority has announced that they will invest 8,278 crores in Reliance Retail Ventures, and that's the big news coming in on Reliance Retail Ventures, and that's a very interesting development. Why so? Because with this, Qatar Investment will translate into a minority equity stake of 0.99% in Reliance Retail Ventures, but this deal values Reliance Retail Ventures at an equity value of 8.278 lakh crores. So a very interesting development, and even interesting because back in the month of July, we have seen Reliance Retail Board approving a proposal to cancel the equity shares that been held by the public shareholders, and where the price was at 1,362 crores, and all these foreign brokerages from the likes of Jefferies as well as Bernstein, they were valuing the entire offline business at 6.9 to 7.4 lakh crores of equity value. But this deal, what is exactly happening for Reliance Retail Ventures, has been at the higher price what these brokerages were estimating onto the equity value of Reliance Retail Ventures. So that's the big development. But let's get in more details about this particular deal and what it actually means for Reliance Retail Ventures and Reliance Industries as well. With this, let me welcome on board Ajay Sharma of ET Now. Ajay, very good afternoon. Tell us more about this deal. What's your view on this?
Well, that's correct. This is a big news which has actually happened. And, the last valuation which was struck was close to 4.5 lakh crores. So this transaction which the Qatar Investment Authority is putting money at, almost over $1 billion, almost thereabout, values the company at over 8 lakh crores. So double the valuation. Also, they are picking up 1%, close to 1% stake, and 8,200 crores is what they are putting. So this is a very reasonable amount, very, very big amount, $1 billion. And if you see that a lot of sovereign wealth funds, there are two things happening. One, they are putting a lot of money in Reliance, various businesses. We saw one big round of 8 or 10 sovereign funds coming in at the time of COVID, when both Geo as well as retail saw transactions. And now, over the last few months, the sovereign wealth fund fraternity is putting money in more and more businesses in India. And Reliance's retail business is a very good one, because it is not only one of the largest retail ventures in India, but one of the fastest growing and profitable. There are a lot of other, retail formats which are growing and are large, but are not very profitable. This one is profitable and is witnessing a very strong profit growth as well. So that would be one of the reasons why Qatar is also lining up here and picking up close to 1%. So this is coming right ahead of the annual general meeting of Reliance, which is on next Monday. That's quite interesting. So shareholders and everybody would be watching out for the commentary from chairman of the company, Mr. Ambani, on what's the roadmap now for retail and other things. But this is a good value unlocking deal which is happening in the retail ventures once again.